Welcome back to the Wiki Show. Today we are going to look at computer-aided tagging. Wikimedia Commons has a new tool in development to help add structured data to all of their images. This data helps identify images with consistent information. This will eventually help with the search for specific images, and it helps the computer know what the images actually contain. So how this program works is basically it will give you an image and it will give you several suggested tags. The suggested tags comes from Google Cloud Vision, and Google Cloud Vision uses machine learning to suggest a tag for the images. So when you're looking at the tags and you see something that just doesn't make a lot of sense, yeah, it's the computer. You still can add your own tags to the images, and that is a feature they're still working on. This tool is actually still in development, so it's kind of on the cutting edge of Wikimedia Commons. Only registered auto-confirmed users can add tags to an image. There will be links in the description below to the suggested tags page and to the information page if you want to know more about the project. So let's dive in and tag this image. Street sign? Yes. If you're ever not sure or none of the tags apply, you can just click the skip button. And I see a sky and a mode of transportation. This image contains clouds and sky, maybe a human settlement, just kind of funny. Cumulus clouds. Just click the publish button and it will give you a confirmation page to show you the different tags you want to save to the image. I see snow and a building. I have a picture of railroad tracks, but it doesn't give me options as a railroad track. Probably it's a railway station. I always hesitate whether or not to tag the sky because the sky is pretty much in every single picture that's outside, unless you're taking a picture of the ground. Text. Conversation. Interaction. Meeting. That works for me. Well, that's interesting. It's wildlife, and it's a terrestrial animal. That's definitely not a brown bear. Let's just go with that. What do we have? We have grass and ruins. We have a sky and a hill, and it's green, but we'll go with that. But that's what computer-aided tagging looks like on Wikimedia Commons right now. It's a fun activity you can do. Just do a couple images. You always find lots of interesting pictures. But until next time, don't be a vandal.